We got some shopping. Let's go back home. Now take me home, adult. Welcome everybody. We are back with bacon. We're baking. Let me think for a minute. Waffles. First, we need a deep waffle iron and 400 grams of phase raisin flour, 100 grams of butter, 4 tablespoons from sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, and 500 mils of milk. Add the milk and the eggs in the bowl. Smash the egg. Now my hands are all eggy. Give it a whisk, add the milk. Woo, that's a lot of milk. I hope there's more milk for me to drink. Oh, my arms are aching for all that whisking. Now melt the butter in the microwave. Add the dry ingredients to flour. Now we'll put the milk mixture in the flour. Looks like a river now. A snow river. Grab a wooden spoon and deliver. When the mixture is smooth, add the melted butter. Now give it a mix. It looks really custody. Whoa. Cover the base in the waffle iron. I smell the goodness. While the waffle maker is doing its thing, guess what I'm gonna drink? That's right, milk. Get your adult to lift it because it's too hot. Nice pancake. Repeat that. I mean waffle. I'm gonna put on chocolate spread, syrup, and squirty cream. I'm gonna put some healthy like fruit, like strawberries. That's what I'm talking about. Smash that like button with your waffle. And subscribe and tap the bell to turn on notifications. Leave a comment what I can make next. I really enjoyed these waffles because they're super tasty.